In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal limits with this quick tutorial. Let's get started. Now, managing your PayPal account efficiently is crucial, especially if you're a frequent user. Whether you're running a business, shopping online, or sending money to loved ones, knowing your account limits helps you plan better and avoid any unexpected interruptions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by heading over to the PayPal website. Simply open your browser and type in paypal.com. If you're in the Philippines, you can search PayPal PH or just click on the direct link to the site. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the PayPal homepage. Look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your PayPal credentials. Make sure you have your email and password handy. After successfully logging in, you might encounter an additional security step. PayPal sometimes asks you to verify your identity, and you might see an option to receive a code via WhatsApp or a regular text message. Choose your preferred method, and once you receive the code on your phone, simply enter it to proceed. This step is all about ensuring your account's security, so it's always a good idea to have your phone nearby when accessing sensitive accounts like PayPal. Next, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard. From there, you want to navigate to the Home section of your account. Look towards the top of the page and click on the Home link if it's not already highlighted. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Help button, typically near the top or the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will take you to PayPal's comprehensive help section. Now, when you're on the Help page, you'll see a search bar. This is your go-to tool for finding detailed information about any queries you have regarding your account. Type View Limits into the search bar. This will bring up all the relevant articles and resources on checking your PayPal limits. The results will typically give you step-by-step instructions or direct links to the specific settings page where your account limits are displayed. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to checking your PayPal limits. Remember, being aware of these limits can help you plan your transactions more effectively, avoid any transactional hiccups, and ensure a smooth user experience. So, the next time you're logged into your PayPal account, take a moment to check your limits. It's always better to be prepared and informed, ensuring your transactions are seamless and headache-free. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.